Hi, good morning. Uh, Yesterday we had discussed how to install a Angular in your project. Okay, so how to create the new project, how to install. So these are the basic thing we had discussed yesterday. Today we are discussing Angular material, how to add Angular material inside the project, how to add Angular material. So here just simply there are Angular material, so we can go to Angular material. Here I am Angular material, Angular. Okay, I'm Angular material.io, this component library. Okay, just I'm go there, and here Angular material is there. So how to check it? So get started, I'm click on the get started. Here one URL, material.angular.io. Okay, so material.angular.io, paste in the notepad. See, this is the site Angular material.angular.io. Angular add Angular, so we can add the dependency here. Angular add and material, and we are, because we have already project, so now we are checking in packet.json. Here Angular material, so nothing is there, right? So see, these are the dependency: Angular animation, common, compiler, add, forms, browser, router. So now I'm adding this dependency, this command ng add in your application. So how to add? This is my running application, and I am adding Angular ng add. This is a command. Okay, so this is a UI. So see, one ng add, one issue, right? Command not available when the running Angular CLI outside surface. Okay, so now I am going to the this type of the exception is occur. So I am go to the terminal, and here okay, now I'm see some see file user uh, running script disable this system. For the more information, see Angular ng add Angular material. This is the command right way, ng add Angular hyphen material. Okay, this is the command you can execute, but some is ng add. So we are checking how to add this command, but how to add Angular material, setting up your environment variable. Okay, so here we can add your Angular material in Angular. Otherwise npm I, this is the command. I'll copy this command, npm I Angular material. Okay, I'm adding this command npm I Angular material. Okay, so lot of dependencies adding here. Okay, see, this dependency is downloading, and so we are ng add command is right. uh, this command is right, but something is issue inside the Java, inside the 18 version, but before we try in 17, so we added and it will be added and it will be added. Okay, so here this is a all fight. Okay, PMI, then Angular material I'm using. Okay, okay, okay. Started again. Here we are going to see ngadd. See, this is a command. I will copy this command. This is a command. You can copy this command and paste inside the your, because this is the server is started already. So copy Angular 17 desktop Java full stack class. Now this command is added, ng add angular material, searching for the compatible package version, all entire the thing. So directly you can add ng add. See, would you like to proceed? Yes. Why? Okay, install and package all thing automatically added, right? This is the command. So both way you can execute npm I angular material, but in angular application ng add is the inside the documentary. So we had already file ng add angular material, so we can use that file. Okay, so while the installing, I'm showing you some. This is a close the window and see, and entire the application how to start and all is there. It's a component. Okay, so here button, so button we can use directly in API. This is the API, so you can copy this button here, copy this button, material button model, right? So and paste inside the your app.html file on ts file. Okay, so I'm adding, paste inside this and copy. So here router outlet, right? Router outlet imports, because this is a module, right? So you can add here. What is the issue? Import must be array component directory and pipe and so
Alright, so remember the format is same, which is ng space.
So router outlet mat button module. So we need to add here imports, inside the imports, so we can add so here router outlet is a one array, right? So we can firstly we import this, because this is a disable, right? So I'm copy this mat button module inside the angular, and then we need to uh, need to okay, so need to paste this way. Okay, now it's executed. Okay, now we blue angular material azure road magenta azure. Now typography, enable animation. Yes. Okay, all thing we need to update. So copy this matte button angular in example, and so once you install this thing, so here lot of example here, right? Lot of example, so we can copy this example whatever. I'm see inside the section, not section button, I want to section. Okay, copy this button basic to disable, and this is the button raise, otherwise this is the basic button, and copy. Okay, and paste inside the app.html file. Okay, I remove this entire the thing, paste. Okay, copy this button, and I'm executing this button. See, basic and disable. Okay, this is the two button, and back. Example, this is a basic button, but we want to think about it. Then now this is a flat button, so we can check on it flat. Okay, copy this, paste. Okay, now I'm checking on your site, so CSS is not applied, right? CSS is not applied. So I'm going to the till is working, right? Page is reload, and this is update, right? JSON. So now is install or not, so we can checking on that inside the package.json. So see, angular material, see this is the updated version, right? Angular material. So this is the thing, we can execute and we can update this version. And okay, CSS is not applying, so now just I'm using this HTML file, right? So basic section I'm removing, and this one also removing. Okay, flat button, one option. Basic and disable, there are two button only. Okay, need to apply, right? So I am using basic button, basic matte button inside the TS file, import. Okay, before only select a template URL, style URL, but now 18 or 17 version onward, this is a imports is directly added. You can directly add here. Okay, and something is issue, but that type of that way you can add here. And checking the CSS, checking CSS, and style.css paste here, and you can check, not there, right? But this way we can execute and we can add here. Okay, thank you.